Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote
And Matt Cote
from Ballantine here with another Marketing Minute. My topic today is going to be about how to spy on your competitors, specifically their Facebook advertising. So Facebook recently opened up the ability to look at what ads your competitors are currently running on Facebook. So when you go to their page, click on the Info and Ads tab, and then you'll see all the ads that they're currently running. So it's a pretty cool feature that hopefully they'll keep around.
All right, so my tip today is the use of a clear envelope in your direct mail. One of our partners recently became approved by the post office to mail a plastic envelope at the letter rate. Previously it was mailed at the flat rate, which is obviously a much higher postage cost. The only limitations or things you have to keep in mind is that there's a white strip that needs to go along the bottom, and then these white printed areas on the lead edge to eliminate the gap between the inserted piece and the clear envelope. And also, one thing that makes this product unique for us is that we have the ability by machine to actually remove the clear strip and then seal the package. Previously, you had to have no strip on there and use some sort of hot melt glue, which doesn't look very nice and doesn't open very nice and all that stuff. So it's a cool product. The production cost is obviously more than a typical envelope, but if you're currently mailing something that's in a plastic envelope, this would be a great alternative to save on the postage.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you want to receive updates when we publish new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.
Max out.